Hey guys, the brand sent me this essential oil diffuser for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use and all the cool features. Now the nice thing about this essential oil diffuser is it's waterless, so it's very easy to use. You're simply going to remove up here, unscrew, there you go. Now you're ready to fill up with your favorite essential oil. They even give you a little syringe to use, but I'm just going to go ahead and pour the oil in here. Now you're simply gonna screw it back in, stick it in the device, turn it on. There you go. You can see right away that peaceful mist of essential oil going straight up into the air. Now you can set it for different intervals. You can do 10-second intervals, 30-second intervals, or 90-second intervals. You can see it runs very quietly. Now, the other nice thing about this one is to set the ambient mood. It's got 7 different light modes, which you can switch pressing this button over here. It's also got a timer function over here, so you can set it to turn off in 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. It really does a great job filling the room with that peaceful, tranquil smell of essential oils. It's compact and lightweight. You can take it anywhere. You can also stick it in the cup holder in your car and take it out for a date night or a long road trip. It's USB rechargeable using the provided cable here, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants an essential oil diffuser that's waterless and has several cool features.